Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Hammer Solo 3.0 True Wireless Earbuds. This is the white variant. We have some information on this box. It says that this particular earbud supports Bluetooth 5.0. The earbuds comes with a 40 mAh battery. Working time is 2.5 hours. The charging case has a 400 mAh battery. Working distance is 10 meters and case charging time is 1 to 2 hours. That's all the information we have in this box. Let's just open it and take a look inside. Where do we open this from? We open this from here. So there you go. There's a transparent window here. You can see what the Hammer earbuds look like. This is the half in-ear design earbuds and this is the charging case. Okay, let's open it further. Where do we do it from? First up, we have an instruction manual for the Hammer Solo 3.0. You should read it at least once. We also have some warranty cards for this particular product. I'm going to leave all of these documents over here. There you can see. Then there's a packet that has 2 extra pairs of silicone tips. These are the large and small variant. And this is the micro USB cable for this particular charging case and earbuds. Let's take a look at the charging case first. This is the white variant. You will notice the micro USB charging cable, charging port right over here and LED indicators over here. This has this white finish to it. It's made out of plastic, but it has great finish to it. And the earbuds go in over here. You will notice these nodes. These are magnetic charging points. Let's take a look at the earbuds now. So these are the earbuds. These are the Hammer Solo 3.0 earbuds. They have an angular nozzle, like not much, but an angular nozzle. But these are what you call half in-ear design earphones, half in-ear design earbuds. You will notice there is a LED light that's glowing blue and red. This basically means that this particular device is now in pairing mode. In another video, I will show you how to pair this device to a smartphone. But for now, this is what you find inside the box containing the Hammer Solo 3.0 True Wireless Earbuds. Thank you for watching.